Oh, yes. I started 7 years ago. Almost 7 years with the myeloma, with the cancer. And I started have a problem with my bone, my body. And now what I have is a problem with I don't know if it's the sciatica or it's something wrong, but we try to find out what's going on with my back.
I always say shoes off unless the feet stink, then I gotta charge extra. Is that a good height for you, Guillermo? Yeah. All right, let me know if you need help. Yeah, I got you. Just let me know. Let me know. I'll hold you at the hips. Take some of that weight off. Yep. Go ahead and lay on your stomach. Hold on. All right, perfect. Now the hands are gonna come aquí, like this. 1 to 10. 10 the most, 1 the least. What's your pain level at? Your discomfort?
10.
A 10? And every day it's a 10?
Yeah, but this time, yeah.
Okay. And that's even with the pain meds and everything you're taking?
They help me, the pain meds.
So it's above a 10 and it makes it a 10? So imagine that. Okay. All right. So what's the goal? What do we want to do? We want to try to get some relief, bring some of the pain down, and what, sleep better? You're not sleeping right now, right?
I got days, weeks.
All right. I got you. Let's see what I could do. All right? See what we can do.
Thank you.
And we're just palpating his spine. I could barely touch it without him wincing in discomfort.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Now that he's on the table and this table's motioning his spine, it's going to even make it more intense. Yeah. Respira. Respira. Good. Okay. Mira derecha, Guillermo. Mira derecha. Good. Relax this hand here, aquí, like this. Okay. You're gonna feel me here, okay, Guillermo? Good.
Oh, yes. Because I can get up, I can walk. It's hard to me to take a shower. I mean, you know.
How we doing? Was that okay?
Yeah.
Good. I bet you needed that. Love that. Good. This is gonna come up and down. Okay? This table was built for this exact reason. Okay. Remember, Guillermo right now is fighting bone cancer. But everything I do is gonna be sensitive. But this table has these airdrops that allow me to kind of get into his spine and start making adjustments and put movement in without so much impact. It sounds like it's a lot, but it's not that much. Yep. Perfect. Now mira izquierda. Okay. Okay. This is gonna be the one, Guillermo. Okay? I can feel it. My hand is right on it.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Now you're gonna feel me right here.
Oh, I have.
Okay.
God. They give me some pills for pain, right? But I really don't like it too much. I know that I have to use it, but I really don't like it too much.
Respira por la nariz y sácalo por la boca.
Hand aquí. Okay. This hand here. This hand. Grab me. Okay. Grab my arm. This way.
Cógele el brazo
Come
a él.
underneath. Sí. Perfect.
El brazo.
You ready? Arriba.
Sube.
1, 2, 3. I got you. Okay. Good.
Respira por la nariz y
got you.
sácalo por la
I
boca.
got you. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah. He's got some swelling in his ankles as well. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Respira por la nariz, Guillermo.
What she said.
Y sácalo por la boca.
Sí.
Your nose and out through your mouth.
Oh, cool. And aprieta los dientes too.
Aprieta los dientes que no te vas a perder la lengua, ¿ok?
Sí.
Bien apretados los dientes.
Sí, claro. I'm gonna come underneath.
Relajado.
You okay with me here, Guillermo?
¿Está bien ahí, Guillermo?
See? Okay, Guillermo, first I'm going to walk you. We're going to just go step by step through this. I need to feel as well on what I can work with, what capacity. Okay, that feels good to me. Are you okay with that right there? Okay, you're going to feel me underneath. This one will be a big one. Good, but I'm going to totally control it for you. Yeah. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do, okay? Give me prayer hands like this. Okay? On the count of 3, I'm gonna hold you here. I'm gonna help you up. 1, 2, 3, arriba. Yep. Okay, now to take some pressure off your spine, we're gonna swing these legs around this way. Okay? See, I know. There's a lot going on right now. Now, Mira, put your hand like this. I want to show you what this is going to feel like on your spine, okay? Okay, good. First thing I want you to do is take your hands aquí. Are you able to bring them both like this? Excellent. Let's bring both elbows in like this. Is this okay?
You couldn't do that before, by the way.
You couldn't do that before? Well, that's good to know. Good. Mira arriba. Good. Now bring the hands down. Mira arriba. Izquierda. Derecha. Izquierda. Arriba. Perfecto. All right, my man. You okay? It's nice to see you smile. Nice. So, what I'd recommend, you already know, you could, but if we can get some TLC on a regular basis and some repetition, I think we can make a big difference in the quality of your life. All right, I mean, that's what I think, yeah, 100%.
I always be with you.
Huh? Yeah. Well, I always got your back, you know, and I mean that, okay? Hopefully you get some sleep tonight. I mean, you know, I'm not Jesus.
I will. I know that I will.
But I did move everything that needed to be moved, so that will kickstart the process that needs to happen in order for you to get the relief that you need and start to feel better, okay? But if we could do that, you know, regularly, I think you can have some killer quality of life, in my opinion, okay? My pleasure. You kidding me? Absolutely. You know, thank Juliana.
Oh, man.
She's the one. She's the one. She's the one.
Right? I mean, you know what you mean to me.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, of course. Thanks for trusting me.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate it.